How to fix Instagram login issue. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can fix an Instagram login issue. Well, first things first, you can try verifying your login details and resetting your password if needed. If that doesn't work, you want to update the app. Head into your App Store or Play Store and search in for Instagram and make sure that you have updated the latest version. You also want to check that your username, email or phone number and password is typed correctly and that you have a stable connection. You can try switching in between your mobile connection, that is mobile data, and Wi-Fi. If you can't remember your password, you can use the forgot password link. However, if you're not getting any errors on your behalf but it is the server error, then for that you can head into server checker on your browser and check if the Instagram server is down, and you can wait for a couple of hours before trying to log in back again. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.